This is basically a demonstration of close focusing with the new 2X SLR Magic Anamorphic adapter. So Red Epic, a Sigma 85mm DG HSM 1.4, and the SLR Magic. The first thing we need to do is make sure that the flare is lined up. So on this new anamorphic adapter, it has this clutch where you push forward and you turn it. And we want to make sure that that flare, like other anamorphic lenses, is completely level across. As you can see, there it is. So we are going to be focusing here on our two focus targets. Over here is around 4.5 feet away, and then in the back is about 10 feet away. I'll show you what happens in normal mode. Normal mode right here is for 8 meters. 8 meters on this lens is right around there to infinity. So any closer than that at most f-stop ranges, unless you're completely stopped down, even then you're going to need to go below normal. For close focusing, you're going to need to use the near mode. So right here, full near mode is 1 meter. So we know that our close focusing target here is a little past 1 meter. So I'm just going to set that a little past and go ahead and focus down. Open it back up a little. Okay, so you can see I can focus from, now when I focus to this back target, the front, you notice the near focus target's in focus, but the rear focus target at about 8 feet is out of focus. So in order to use this lens and use it in focus between these 2 points, we can actually cut the difference. So with the f-stop I'm shooting now, there's the closest focus range of the lens will be actually closer. So now I can focus from here to that back focus target. So again, this side's around 8 feet, this side's around 4.5 feet. And if we were in normal mode, it's just not going to be, especially extremely close, not usable. At around, if you stop down further, it'll be more usable at around that 8 feet. But really, normal mode is from 8 meters or 25 feet to infinity. Closer, it's going to take some practice to learn what the focus ranges are, but since I know that the focus to the near target is a little over 1 meter, almost close to 1.5 meters, I'll bump this to start with and start testing to make sure. And you can even turn this and start to see when it goes out of focus. So if you pull it to the nearest range where it's still in focus, right around there. A little bit there. Then you can make a compromise with the anamorphic adapter so that you can do your focus pull. If you don't do this, if I just set it to near, then near to that next focus distance will be out of that focus plane. So if you plan to rack focus close objects with the SLR Magic 2X anamorphic adapter, you need to do a lot of practice with the lens, and I suggest setting up focus targets in 2 different locations, and then learn with your particular lenses how it behaves in close distances.